How to fix keyboard lag on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix keyboard lag on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your keyboard is lagging on your iPhone, there are a couple of ways to actually fix it. So first of all, open settings, then go to general, then while inside general, simply go to the keyboard section. Now while you're in the keyboard, you can try turning off various options over here, such as autocorrection, auto-capitalization, predictive text. These are all the features that will actually enable more features to your keyboard, but then as a result it is going to cause some of the lag. So you might want to actually just try this checking and turning off some of the settings and just trying to open it up again and see if that actually helps you, and make sure that you are not using too many keyboards as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.